if you are looking to build a very solid career, and this is something that is very, very important. Just recently, something happened to me, and this is a very huge lesson for me, and it helped me to see a broader perspective of what I've always talked about, which is the fact that educations are in three different categories. There is a professional education, there is academic education, and there is financial education. So what you are building, if you are specializing in technology, you are specializing in maybe medicine, you are specializing in all these professional skills, what you are learning, what you are building is a professional education. There are places where academic education and professional education actually kind of like, synergize and everything synchronized together. But you need to understand which area you want to specialize on. If you are, for example, you are looking to build expertise in, let's say, some specific area of technology, let's say artificial intelligence or digital marketing, for example, you need to understand that these areas requires you to actually specialize. And what happened to me last week was the fact that when I went to pitch my digital marketing service to a company here in the UK, what I realized was that they already have systems that accommodate young people of 18 years, 19 years, 20 years, that enables them to learn from the industry, from the real expert in the industry. Because for that project that I pitched to them, the way it normally works is that when there is a digital marketing project, the company tells you we have a budget of like £10,000, £5,000 to spend, and I create a marketing plan for them. I help them to showcase how we can spend those money judiciously in a way to maximize the customers and revenue that comes from that budget. So that's the way it normally works. So I went for this pitch last week, and what I realized was that alongside my marketing service that they require, they also asked me and they demanded for me that will I be able to train their young staffs who are like 18, 20 years and the likes. Many of these guys are just, they don't even have, like, some of them might not even have a BSc. Some of them, hardly will you see any of them having an MSc. And this is me coming with tons of academic education, MSc in artificial intelligence, coming up with BSc, mathematics, years of experience in digital marketing and all that. So the point is that they don't need to stress themselves like beating around the bush. Even the person that interviewed me, even the person I presented the pitch to, he told me he has been working in that particular company for about 8 years, solid 8 years. So for him to get to that level of a consultant, for him to get to that level of even being the one to review my pitch and strategies and all that, that means he's at a very top level. And he got to that position not by academics, he got to that position by working in that specific industry for years. So if you are looking to build professional skills, you are looking to enhance your career, what you should be focusing on is how to get hands-on experience. Forget all the certificates. Even if you are having certificates, certificates are just meant to complement you just like put your foot in that door, and also kind of show traction of the direction with which you are going. But the real thing that you need is to find a real project to work on. Volunteer. That's what I did when I wanted to start my career in digital marketing. I volunteered as an unpaid intern, digital marketing intern, full stack. I was working for months without getting paid. And that was how I was able to actually, after they discovered my skills and they saw my capacity, I was promoted to the role of head of email marketing. Eventually, I became a growth marketer and also a performance marketing manager. So that is how you build a very sustainable career path. So if peradventure you are looking to get started with maybe machine learning, data science, artificial intelligence, or software development, what you need to focus on is to get real projects to work on. By getting your hands on real projects, you are getting your hands very dirty and you are going to be solving real problems. And these are the real problems that will actually yield to real solutions for you. And that's how you can build a very sustainable career that will last for a very long time. Because without doing this, you tend to be more confused. If you focus so much energy on, you are learning this today, you are learning tomorrow, it was dropshipping, yesterday it was Amazon sales, all those Amazon e-commerce or different strategies. Today to tomorrow you are doing crypto, next tomorrow you are doing blockchain, all those. Eventually you get confused and you don't get a very structured career path, and which is the main problem that I see a lot of us having nowadays. So if there's anything you are going to be taking away from this video, is the fact that all you need to start doing is to get your hands dirty. Get yourself, even if it is an unpaid internship, get one for yourself and start working. Start getting your hands dirty and start aligning yourself with people who have real projects to work on. So that's my insight for you today, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.